Bro, I swear, Tanjiro Kamado might be the nicest protagonist in anime history. And that's exactly his problem. This man will apologize to a demon while cutting off their head. Like, I'm sorry your life was tragic. Bro, they ate 10 people. Tanjiro's empathy is on another level. He's out here showing mercy mid-battle like he's hosting Demon Slayer Dr. Phil edition. And don't even get me started on that nose. Man's smell power is so broken he can sniff emotions, lies, and trauma. He's basically an emotional bloodhound. If someone's sad, he smells it. If someone's angry, he's like, I can smell your pain, brother. Like, bro, go open a therapy office already. But what really gets me? Every fight turns into a therapy session. Muzan's trying to end humanity, and Tanjiro's out here like, you can still change. N-O-B-R-O, swing that sword. Stop handing out redemption arcs like Halloween candy. Tanjiro's too pure for this world, and that's why we love him. Blood splatter fire.